factory license plate bulbs have blown and you want to modernize your truck, today we're going to be replacing them with these LED housings. These housings are a direct replacement for your 03 to 18 Dodge Ram. They feature 18 LEDs, which is much brighter than your stock ones. They're also DOT legal and they have the same finish as your truck. Now let's get them installed on our Ram. Before we get started, there's a right and a left. We're going to start with the passenger side, so we're going to grab the right side. Since it's hard to get our camera under the bumper to show you how to remove it, I pulled the housing out so I can show you on the table. To remove the housing from the bumper, you pull this big clip and it pops it out of the bumper. Then you remove the connector off your light. Put the factory connector onto the new housing. All you do is you twist, it pops off, pull the old bulb out, and then place this new connector onto this housing. Push it on, push the wire back in, and then twist it back on. To reinstall the new housing, all you do is slide it back in the bumper, plug it back in, and then install this big clip. As you can see, those LEDs are super bright compared to the stock bulb on this truck. All you need to do is replace the other side and your installation is complete. Now that we got these LED housings in, it really brightens out the back of this truck. They're super easy to install and no tools needed.